Friends, as we know, BMW is always known for their luxury sedans and SUVs. But the current time is changing and all the companies are going to a compact car. And yes, BMW is also trying to make a hatchback. Yes, BMW first hatchback, which is an electric hatchback. The compact EV or hatchback is based on the idea of circular economy, where materials are continually used rather than discarded at the end of single product's lifespan. As in the conventional linear economy, to that end, the iVision circular concept is made by 100% recyclable materials. And yes, it is also itself 100% recyclable. BMW said in press release. Let's start with the powertrain. BMW said no rare earth metal were used in this car, and the battery pack is comprised of solid state cells made from materials sourced almost entirely from the current recycling loop. The automaker claims BMW also uses 3D printing for many interior components, where further help reduce waste. The automaker noted the process produces less scrap material and whatever is not used can be fed back into the production cycle as a raw material. The iVision circular concept is not destined for production, but it is just a concept. But BMW is experimenting with recycled and sustainable materials. In the run-up to the concept unveiling, BMW mentioned partnership with BASF and Alba Group to the use of recycled plastic in car, for example. Some idea from the iVision circular concept might also make it the new BMW next generation EVs. Dubbed Neo Klasse, German for new class, which are due to start arriving around 2025. It all goes towards BMW's recently global goal for reducing life cycle carbon dioxide CO2 emission 40% by 2030. BMW Mini brand also recently showed its own sustainability focused concept car, the Mini Strip concept. Show that minimalism could or should be something considered in the sustainability approach. Both recent concepts follow the tire tracks of the BMW i3, which featured a radical design that incorporates some sustainability sources material. BMW has built over 2 lakh of them, but dropped the i3 from the US earlier this year. This news is coming from EV World ENG. If you like our video, make sure to subscribe our channel.